Welcome to my on YouTube channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready to deep dive with me again?
Always ready to dive in.
All right, excellent. So today we're tackling ebooks, specifically how to make some, cash money with them.
Sounds good to me.
Right. Who doesn't love the idea of passive income?
Passive income is definitely appealing.
Totally. And we got this awesome guide. It's like a roadmap breaking down how to create and sell these digital gold mines. Have you ever, actually thought about sharing your expertise this way?
I think a lot of people have. I mean, everyone has some knowledge they could share, right?
Totally. Everyone's an expert in something. But what's really fascinating to me is, and this is from the guide, that ebooks can be a serious income source.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. It's not just about making a few bucks on the side. You can actually build a whole sustainable income stream.
Whoa, sustainable income stream. That's the dream right there. Okay, so let's unpack this guide. First things first, it says you gotta find the right niche.
Right, and it's not just about picking something you're passionate about, although that definitely helps.
Yeah, passion is key.
But you got to think about it strategically, Where does your expertise meet an audience that's actually looking for that information?
It's like, imagine writing a whole ebook about, collecting bottle caps.
Right.
You might be super into it.
Sure.
But is there a market for that? Probably not a huge one.
Exactly. So the guide emphasizes, analyze the competition, figure out what's already out there, what's missing, what people are actually searching for.
Makes sense. So let's say you're, a fitness fanatic.
All right.
Instead of writing broadly about fitness, which is like a massive crowded space,
yeah,
you can niche down. Maybe something like yoga for seniors or strength training for busy moms, finding those underserved corners.
Absolutely. It's about finding that sweet spot where your passion and a hungry audience intersect.
Okay, love that. Niche down, find your people. Next up, content creation. This is where the magic happens, right?
Totally. And the guide is all about making your ebook not just informative, but enjoyable too. Think about it. No one wants to read something dry and boring.
Oh, for sure. It's got to be engaging.
Right. So use stories, examples, visuals, anything to bring the information to life and keep those pages turning.
Keep them hooked. And speaking of presentation, we can't forget about the cover. I mean, that's the first thing people see, right?
Absolutely. It's your ebook's first impression. A professional-looking cover. It can make all the difference.
Think of it like, walking into a job interview.
Right.
Well, look sharp, make a good impression.
Exactly. Now, once you have your content and cover sorted, you need to convert it into the right formats, like EPB for most e-readers and Mobi for Kindle.
Right. Those file types.
Yeah.
Can that be tricky?
It can seem daunting, but honestly, platforms like Amazon's KDP, they have tools that walk you through the whole process. You don't need to be a tech whiz or anything.
Okay, phew. Technology and me.
Yeah.
Not always the best of friends.
Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. And once your ebook is all formatted and ready to go, you're ready to publish it.
Hit that publish button. But then, how do we actually get people to buy it? That's the million-dollar question.
That's where the marketing comes in. This guide goes into a whole bunch of strategies, websites, social media, the works. But one thing I thought was really interesting was this emphasis on content marketing.
Content marketing? That sounds a little, buzzwordy.
It's basically about creating valuable content related to your ebook's topic and giving it away for free, like blog posts, videos, even sample chapters of your ebook.
So you're giving away free stuff?
Yeah, it's all about attracting your target audience, building trust, and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche.
I see. So it's less about the hard sell and more about providing value and building that relationship with your audience.
Exactly. And once you start marketing, the guide says it's super important to track your results, see what's working, what's not, and adapt your approach based on that feedback.
Always be tweaking and improving.
Exactly. And then, once you've got things going, you can start thinking about scaling your success. The guide talks about passive income strategies. Affiliate marketing is one example.
So recommending other products or services related to your ebook's topic.
Yeah, and earning a commission on those sales. Or you could partner with other authors, businesses. There are tons of possibilities.
Wow. So the earning potential really is limitless, huh?
It really is. Which brings me to a thought-provoking question for you. What unique knowledge or expertise do you have that you could share with the world in an ebook?
Ooh, that's a good one. Everyone listening, think about that for a second.
Imagine the impact you could make by packaging your insights into a valuable resource.
That's powerful stuff. All right, so there you have it, folks, our deep dive into the world of ebooks. From finding your niche to creating killer content and marketing like a pro, we covered it all.
Hopefully this has sparked some ideas and inspiration.
Absolutely. Oh, who knows? Maybe someone listening right now will become the next big ebook success story. Thanks for diving in with us today.
Thanks for having me.
And we'll catch you on the next deep dive.
See you then.